Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hello, my name is Amy and welcome to a super exciting video because I am playing around with a brand new hairstyling tool that has literally just launched. It's limited edition and it's in collaboration with Molly Mae, which is just like amazing because she's literally the hair queen. Let's be real, she is the hair queen. So you can probably already guess, but if you couldn't, I am going to be showing you the Beautyworks times Molly Mae hair waver kit. This is limited edition and it is how she gets her like perfect waved gorgeous beachy hair. So inside the box it obviously comes in its little slip, so I'll just take that out. So you obviously get your little heat protected mat and bag inside, and then you undo it and you have got your comb and you've got your setting clips. So these clips are used to like set the waves in place once you have done them, and obviously you've got the comb to just brush through the hair. And then obviously in the little zip up you have got the actual styling wand. This is the styling wand, absolutely beautiful. It's got this really gorgeous like palm print on the barrel, which is really nice, and then it's obviously in the pink and you've got your temperature gauge and everything down there. So yeah, I'm just obsessed with this. I'm going to show you how I use it as well, and then I'm also on the hype of the whole like beach waves. I have been very kindly gifted. The hair waver was actually very kindly gifted to me, along with this stunning wave ponytail. Oh my god, like this just, oh my god, I can't wait to put that in my hair. So I'll show you how to like style this as well, but first of all we are going to play with this tool because I haven't played with it yet. As you can see, it's all still in its wrapper. It's packaging. So for this look I'm going to be applying my 20-inch double hair set extensions in the shade Iced Blonde. I don't know if anyone has watched my previous video, but I always wear the shade Iced Blonde in my hair extensions. However, obviously I haven't been to the salon in so long. My hair needs toning, my hair needs highlighting, so it is a little bit icier than my hair, but my usual hair is normally very icy. I always keep the tone up to it. Right, I'm going to pop the extensions in my hair and I will be back. Okay, so I have just popped in all my extensions. I have already used these two little front ones. I paired them with my other set of hair extensions a few weeks back, just to fill my hair out a little bit. So those ones are actually wavy already, but yeah, I've just back combed everything, clipped it in, and it's nice and secure. So I'm going to go ahead and start styling. I'm so excited to use this. So I'm obviously going to start with my heat protection. This is a really vital, important step, especially when using hair extensions. You've just paid so much money for them, you don't want to make them be like bad quality or like get damaged. So I would just spray it in, I brush it through, and then I just let my hair dry off for a little bit, just because it can get a little damp. And I'm just using, the brush that I'm using is actually the Beautyworks times Molly Mae brush that comes with her curl kit, but I feel like you can buy this on its own. Don't quote me on that, but I know that they definitely do one as well. I don't know if you can buy this separately. I think you might be able to, I'm not too sure. But right, let's move on to the exciting bit. So the good thing with this is, because it's such a super easy, it's kind of like a faultless hairstyle, like you literally can't go wrong with it. All you do is take, like, you can take really big sections as well, which is what I love. It's so quick. So literally I'm just going to take this section here. I'm going to take my wave, I'm just going to flip that little stand down, don't need that now. And I've got mine on 190. I actually don't think you need it this hot. Maybe I'll turn it down to 180. Right, so I'm literally just going to clamp my hair in, hold it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, take it out, and clamp it about there. So I think there's 2 different ways. You can obviously hold it with this barrel bit up, or I think this is a bit hard to see what you're doing because you can't really see the wave. So literally you just move it down ever so slightly for each, oh that's hot, for each bit of hair. Why have I not put my glove on? That's what I want to know. I can't stop now. Can't stop, won't stop. And there you have it. The first set of beachy waves. Yes, I don't know why I didn't have my glove. So, I'm going to do that again. But for this side, I'm going to face it upwards so I can kind of see. Because now I can clip it down and I can see the groove, if that makes any sense. Such an easy hairstyle, but it is so pretty and it looks like so much harder, do you know, like than what it is. You literally just have to clamp this down your hair. Okay, so that is one side of my hair complete. So, oh, I love it so much. So before I move on to the other side, which I'll just like zoom through, I am going to just take my setting clip. So you've got 4, so that's like obviously 4 each side, wow. And I'm just going to set these the waves in place. So I want that one there, this one here. And I think the really good thing about these is they don't leave kinks, these little, like if you was to use these on straight hair as well, they don't leave grip marks. Okay, so I'm going to leave them like that. I'm going to go ahead, do the other side of my hair, and I'll be back to add in some products and show you the finished look. Okay, so as you can see, I finished off my hair. I've put my clips in and I've had them in for about 15 minutes now, so they're probably ready to take out. You can probably leave them up to anything for like 15 minutes to an hour, or literally while you're getting ready, and then just before you're about to go out you can take them out. But I'm going to just get the comb out of the kit and I'm going to show you how I would style them now. So our curls around our face, sorry, they're not curls, are they? They're waves. Around our face should be nice and really defined now. Yeah, look at that. I just love it. Now that the hair is completely wavy and beachy, I love it so much. Oh my god. What I'm going to do now is, what you want to do is you can go through it with your comb. You don't want to use a brush for this because it will literally just make the curls like frizz. I keep calling them curls, but they're definitely waves. And they will literally just frizz like. So I'm going to take my dry oil spray. This smells insane, like coconuts. It is so good and the finish it gives on the hair is so nice. So I'm literally going to just spritz this through the hair. And I'm just going to give it a little scrunch. Oh, I love it so much. So, and then just to really finish it off, you can just really lightly just like go through with your comb and just look at the difference. Like this side is all, oh god, that just looks like I've literally should be in like the Hawaiian tropics or something. Should be in like Malibu or California on the beach, living my best life. And that is basically what you do to achieve the amazing wave. Oh my god, I feel like an actual mermaid. I love this so much. That is such a lovely wand, such a lovely kit. I love the fact that you get those little clips with it as well, because it really just defines the waves around your face. It just makes them like really, really prominent, and I just love that. So cute, so cute. Absolutely love it. So I will now also show you how to do the ponytail. I might do a sleek ponytail. I don't know whether to do, the ponytail comes on this really cute little hanger, which is so handy because you can actually just hang this up in your wardrobe. So it comes on a hanger, it comes in a little net to keep it all secure, and oh my god, this is just insane. I can't believe that I was gifted this. Okay, so look at that. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Okay, right, I'm going to show you how to style the pony. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I would now style the ponytail. Obviously, I've got my waved hair already. I'm thinking, I'm going to show you two ways because I think a low pony would look really cute. So what I'm going to do, I actually need a hairband, don't I? That would be a good start. So I'm going to just separate these two front bits of my hair. And then I'm going to gather the rest into a ponytail. Like quite a low pony. Now obviously you can use products to slick your hair down, however, because I want to show you two, I'm not going to do that because I feel like otherwise I'm not going to get it into its other style. So I've got my ponytail and it's got a little hair extension clip on the other side of it, so I'm just going to pop that clip open and I'll turn around to the side so you can see, and I'm literally going to just place this in just above my ponytail and then clip it, and then I'm just going to fold this under and wrap the hair. I can't see what I'm doing. Wrap the hair round, and then I'm just going to take a little pin and secure it in, and kind of run my fingers through it just to get it all to blend nicely. Oh my god, I love that. And to finish it off, I'm going to put a little bit of this dry spray through it. That's a vibe. I think this is really cute. So obviously this ponytail is human hair, so if I wanted to, I then could go in with my waver and like define the waves a little bit more. Obviously this can be washed and styled as your normal hair extensions could. I love that. It's so soft as well. It's so nice to have a ponytail that is made of human hair, but like it just feels so much different to having like a synthetic ponytail. I'm just really living for this right now. But also just to show you, my hair's not going to slick back because I have just waved it and it's freshly washed. However, we'll give it a go. Yeah, my baby hairs are wild. Obviously I will probably be wearing the shit out of this ponytail on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me over there. So another way that I would wear this is like just completely slick. I just have so much baby hair, it's ridiculous. I'm just going to spray a little bit of oil on my actual hair because my brush went through it when I was trying to get my pony in. I don't want it to be frizzy. There we go. So again, exactly the same. I'm just going to take my clip it, and then wrap. Oh my god, I love it so much. And then just secure it with a clip. Look at my tan line, it's so bad. And there you have it. A cute little, obviously all my baby hairs would be slick Rick. How nice is that? I love that so much. And it's like the perfect length as well. I think this is a 20-inch. I just love it so much. So yeah, that is my little demonstration and review of the Beautyworks and Molly Mae waver and also the wavy ponytail. I love both. I'm fully obsessed. If you want to see other ways that I'm probably going to style these, then and like wear these wear the extensions and this hairstyle, then make sure you're following me on my Instagram because I'll definitely be posting lots of pictures over there, believe me. I'm obsessed with this. I love it so much, and the fact that you can wash this ponytail and style it however you want as well. I just absolutely love it. I love this like wet beachy look though. I love it. I'll leave links to everything down below along with like these products and stuff that I use and the heat protection and everything like that. But yeah, don't forget that you can also use AmyC10 at checkout and it will save you 10%, so we love a little discount code. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you very shortly for another video. And also don't forget that the Molly Mae waver is limited edition, so if you want to get the whole kit, get it now because it'll probably be gone very soon because I feel like it's just going to sell out like this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye!